learn inverse variation. This is a type of variation which involves two variables, but here the set of values, or when the set of values of one variable is increasing, the set of values of the other variable decreases. And if the set of value of one variable decreases, the set of values of the other variable increases. That is inverse. When one is decreasing, the other is increasing, and when the other is decreasing, the other one is increasing. Let's put that down. Inverse variation is a type of variation involving two variables in which the set of values of one variable increases as the set of values of the other variable decreases, and vice versa. That is, if one of the variable is decreasing again, that means the set of values of the other variable increases. Now, if A varies inversely, as B, that means we write. Now, how do we represent it using the variation sign? So we write A varies. Since it's inversely, it's going to be 1 over B. Now, note the difference between inverse variation and direct variation. In direct variation, if A varies directly as B, that means we just write A varies as B. But here it is inverse. That's why we have A varies as 1 over the other variable. And it's the same thing as, or A equals K over B, where K is the constant of variation. And that's all about inverse variation. Thank you.